Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Klaviyo email designs using custom brand styling, detailed guide step by step clearly. To update Klaviyo email designs using custom brand styling, begin by logging into your Klaviyo account. Navigate to the email templates section in the main menu. Choose an existing template you wish to modify or create a new one. Click on the template to open the email editor. On the right sidebar, locate the Styles tab. Here, you'll find options to set your brand colors. Enter your brand's primary and secondary colors into the designated fields. Next, you can customize your font styles for headers and body text. Select a font that aligns with your brand identity. Adjust the font sizes to ensure readability and visual consistency. Now, move to the Images section to upload your brand logo. Ensure the logo is in a high-quality format for best results. Once uploaded, position the logo appropriately within your email design. Next, you'll focus on updating button styles. Select a button element in your email template. Customize the button's background color and text color to match your brand's palette. You can also adjust the button's border radius for a polished look. Now, review any additional elements, such as dividers and backgrounds. Adjust their colors or styles to maintain consistency with your brand. Once you've made all necessary adjustments, preview your email design. Use the preview feature to see how it will appear on desktop and mobile devices. Make any final tweaks to ensure everything looks perfect. After finalizing your design, click the Save button. Finally, you're ready to send or schedule your updated email campaign with your custom brand styling. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.